Hi everybody. Today I have the box from Fashionsta for September. I've seen 2 spoilers for this, so everything else is a surprise. So first off, we have the card, and it says Global Beauty Community. I do remember seeing that each item was from a different part of the world, so that should be interesting. The first thing I see is from Becca Beauty. This is called the Ultra Curl Mascara. And this mascara comes from Australia. And it's called the Ultra Curl 4-in-1 Gloss Mascara. Retails for $22. It's supposed to leave a high gloss finish. That should be interesting. I'd like to try this one out. The next thing is from Terracotta. Oh, this is a shampoo. And this shampoo is from France. It's called the Irreverence Nourishing Shampoo, and it retails for $22. Let's see if it's open. Oh, it smells nice and fresh. A little sweet and a little bit like honey. I like this. And it's organic and great for all hair types, vegan and cruelty free. And the mascara is also cruelty free. All right. Next thing I see is from Nourish Mantra. This is the Moroccan Lava Clay Cleanser, and this comes from India. And it says pure clays with activated charcoal for a deep cleansing, made with nature's finest, ethically sourced ingredients. The retail value on this is $18. It sort of smells like clay with some other type of ingredients. It kind of looks like clay. It's thick like clay too. Okay. All right, the next thing is called, this dust is all over it. 54 Thrones African Butter. It looks like a stick of butter. And this is from Uganda. And this is the Vanilla Ethiopian Honey Beauty Butter that retails for $24. This can be used on your face or your body. It's handcrafted, sulfate-free, cruelty-free, GMO-free, and toxin-free. It's hard. It's really thick, like shea butter. Oh. I don't know if I'll be able to get this out in the wintertime. Well, I'll try it on a warmer day. It's very thick. Okay, and next is... Oh, I like the box. This is We Makeup from Italy. It's a liquid lipstick. It says liquid lipstick lip pencil, and it retails for $27.50. Oh, this is so cute. You can see the way it turns up. Oh, wow. And the stick itself is pretty. It has "we" written all over it. That is so, and I like the shade too. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. I like this a lot. Okay. Oh, we have something else from We Makeup. This is, it says even on there. The lipstick says if. And this is, oh, I see. This is the lipstick. And this is the lip pencil. So I guess both of them together retail for $27.50, because on the paper it just says liquid lipstick, lip pencil, $27.50. Okay. All right, and there's the lip pencil. It says even on it. Oh, this is a beautiful coral type of color. Oh, nice. There's the lip pencil. Okay. All right. This box is really nice. But of course, Fashionsta is one of my favorites. And the last thing is a palette. Oh, it's from Zoeva. It says offline. I've never owned any makeup from Zoeva. There's the box and the palette. I can't wait to see these colors. Ooh. It's very pretty. These are the colors here. Oh, very nice. And Zoeva is from Germany. I didn't know that. And this palette retails for $28. And you got your neutral colors on the top and your fun colors on the bottom. I like that. Let me swatch a few of these fun colors, the bottom ones. That's this one. And the purple. You have a light purple. And then this beautiful dark purple on the end. Right there. Let's see how they swatch. And here they are swatched. This light purple and this red color. I had to go in 2 times to get a good swatch. These two. But the other ones I only needed to dip in once. Okay, so these are very pretty. Let me see the, I'll swatch the top row on this arm. So let's see what we got. These first two look almost the same to me. There's the third. Fourth. And this beautiful brown shimmer on the end. So let's swatch that one first. And there they are. So for the September Fashionsta box, we got the Macao Beauty Mascara from Australia in the zero waste packaging with the glossy finish. From We Makeup from Italy, we got the Even lip pencil and the If lipstick in the shade number 44. We got the Terra Mars shampoo from France. We got the 54 Thrones Ugandan Vanilla Ethiopian Honey Beauty Butter. We got the Nourish Mantra Ratrani Moroccan Lava Clay Cleanser from India. And from Germany, we got the Zoeva Offline eyeshadow palette with these colors. So that's everything I got in the box from Fashionsta for September. Thank you for watching. Bye.